tape. So there's 10. You'd have to attach. Wow. You'd have to attach 8.
Desmond.
You'd have to tie 8 in a row and then.
Desmond.
You're up to no good. I can tell. Careful where you step.
1 year and 2 months. Almost. Big trouble. No hands. What are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do now? Oh. Okay. What are you gonna do now? Whoa. Can you get down? Desmond, can you get down? Desmond, can you get down?